Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So Usne Umacele decided to check ukuthi how Usne rumors pregnancy test turned out that Usne really is pregnant. Usnena is pregnant. Ulwandle umithisile ugirl bathi waseDurban. uMakhumalo made it clear to ulwandle ukuthi akamfuni nje amithisa ugirl wale where she's coming from. So whoever the girl that ulwandle says uyasolela ukuthi is pregnant for him owaseDurban, Usne uthi umithile yena bathi Usne has been a good girl since akaphuma endlini. Uthi Usne when they went and they were doing izingane zesithembu, that's when she got pregnant. Umacele uthi hayibo umhlolo muni nalowo Usne, because mina I thought that you and your father were fixing a relationship yenu and everything is going right. Manje nyalo wena you've been a good girl, so ufuna ungitshela ukuthi the kind of girl nawe nje lobamba abantu ngezizo, because now phela uhambe kayi-one washo ukuthi ingane zesithembu abuyona ingane yesithembu nawe. Usinena as someone who has no idea ukuthi she was pregnant the way yangakhona. She has no idea. She was even crying. Umacele wathi, you know what, girl? Uzomtshela ubabakho. I'm not gonna say anything because last time ngase ngiyakhuluma wena ngigijime ngayokhuluma indaba. So this time around ngiyazikhipha. Make sure that you tell him. uMakhumalo noMseleki they get to sit down to talk about what caused them to drift apart for so long. We guys, 5 months wonke. Shows we were on the break or still on the break. Hayiphela. Husband and wife, 5 months wonke, no communication. uMakhumalo uthi she feels like uMthombeni as long as yena angekho eMzumbe, kunomuntu la amfuna-ke eMzumbe ukuze abe khona eMzumbe, as long as that person is not at eMzumbe. Sho ukuthi uMzumbe awunoyima. uMzumbe awunoyima because yena uhlala eDurban. Uma ngabe unendawo yakho uma yena unendawo yakho, kodwa there's a specific person abamfuna emagcekeni aseMzumbe. That's when uMthombeni would feel like konke ku-right. Umacele uthi yena hey mina angithathi ingane, angideny ingane. uLwandle is not supposed to take ingane or deny ingane. Uba neutral, silinda igazi. Nayi indaba yegazi iyabuya futhi. Nayi indaba yegazi iyabuya futhi guys. Umacele uthi I'm not gonna say anything nje, kodwa ngizoyithatha ngokuthi umkhana likhaya lengithedwalo and my rules are we're doing a DNA and that's when we're gonna say lo mntwana lona we can move forward like with anything. Hayi usumusa ku-each and everyone ucomplaina ngendaba yaseMzumbe, kodwa angamuzwa ayikhuluma even noma yini noma ngwabi indaba yaseMzumbe ukuthi hey badoda uMzumbe kanjani kanjani. Mhlambe ngimlo angakayitholi ke leyo, kodwa njena uMzumbe now uyavela kuMakhumalo. uMakhumalo is dealing with a lot. She even said on the past episode that she was through depression and all that, kodwa her husband yakhe was nowhere to be found. Now uMseleki is coming to her telling her about indaba zaseMzumbe. Kanjani? I've been sick, I've been in the hospital. uMseleki didn't even tell laba emakhosikazi ukuthi uMakhumalo is sick. Uthi uMthombeni uMakhumalo has the power ukuthi relationship yabo isebenze or kanjani, but like sometimes as a person now you get tired umuntu masebenzisa amagama lama, the way you speak to me, the way you treat me, the way you say things towards me or about me around other people and all that, kuyakhona kum-affect umuntu lo to change from lo bekangekho before to a different person. And uMseleki doesn't see that. Uma kakhuluma ngawe the way he talks about you to anyone, expect ukuthi solo yini ube umuntu right again. Usine yena nkosi yami was trying to fix the relationship nobabakhe. Izolo lo she was saying that ubabakhe should let abafuna ukuhamba to go kanjani kanjani. Nyalo umacela uthi wena to them Zumbezi, because me I don't want kids here, I don't want to be seeing children and all that nje angizingeni futhi. Lelimi lakhe Sine is what got her into trouble, because uMakhumalo umacela uthi wena last time usona mina I ruin relationship yakho nobabakho just by telling him that you're pregnant.